So Ayden and I came over to the park this morning because there's nobody here. There's a couple people here setting up for a birthday party, and there's a lady walking around, and there were some guys over there playing basketball. But we love coming over here like first thing in the morning. It's just so beautiful and peaceful, and there's no one around. It's just you and nature. I think the Spanish moss on the trees is so pretty. And there is water down there, so we actually just saw some ducks. And now we're gonna go by the bridge and see if we can see some turtles.
Everyone will be able to hear it in the whole entire world.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Go to the left.
I know.
Okay. Okay, so Ayden and I are going to go to the bridge over here. There's a bridge over here by the park and by the little stream that runs through it, and there's usually turtles over here, and so we're gonna see if we can see some turtles. Okay, so there's two little turtles. One just went under the water, and one has its little head poked up over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I keep telling Ayden that he's too close and that he's scaring all the turtles. So, but he keeps staying down there. So, I don't know if any turtles will come closer, but I just saw a few fish down there, and there were a couple of turtles that were closer, but they're not going to come up anywhere up here because Ayden is too close to them. So, but there's a lovely duck couple.
Maybe if I scoot back.
There's a little baby turtle who's swimming up to us now because we're both on this side of the wall now.
I think I can't breathe.
How cute.
Look at its claws.
Mm-hmm. It's got really sharp claws, so it can...
Look how close it's coming.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see him swimming down?
Oh, no. Oh, it's coming. Give me a picture of me. Give me a picture.
Mm-hmm. It's probably not thinking, give me a picture. It's probably thinking, do you got some food? There are a lot of people that come over here with bread and stuff like that, and they feed the animals, the fish, the turtles. We didn't bring anything over here just because we didn't plan on necessarily coming over here. We just came to go to the park, but
I can't breathe.
sometimes, especially like closer to the...
It's popping his head up, too.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like it's just floating. Why is it going now away?
Especially closer to the evening, especially when it gets cooler. Sometimes I've seen like 30, 40 turtles over here. It's really, really cool to see.
But one's right there.
I think that's the same one we've been looking at.
No, the one went over there somewhere.
Well, look at him. See, he's going under the water. He's peeking his little head up.
Let me try going over him.
Look, there's another little one over there. See it? Poking its head up?
Yeah. Why over there it looks muddy? Ugh.
That's just where the gunk and stuff collects that's in the water.
And people also throwing trash in the water too.
Yeah, that's why it's not good to pollute, and you shouldn't throw trash and stuff in the water.
Because the more trash they put in the water, the more the water's gonna get nasty.
Yeah.
The more the trash gets nasty, the more if all the fish and stuff die, like alligators.
Yep, they can get stuck in the trash too, and they can die too.
They could also sink to the bottom. That would be very... Wait, I can see the fish down there. Right there. Look down there. You see a fish? A fish right there.
Yeah.
It's so freaking big. Oh my god. Oh, it's so freaking big. It looks like a freaking oh, it looks like a sucker fish. From us.
They are.
So
You see how they're over there? They're over there by the plants, eating just little things, little plants, little pieces of plants that they get.
and gunk.
Yeah.
Who kind of duck would eat gunk?
As soon as we came down here a little ways, this little
Look how
trio of ducks came down here. Ayden, not so loud.
Look how big the waves are getting.
Yeah. The wind blows the water. They're just right here behind this little wall. It's so nice out here today. So pretty.
Gunk.
Say hi, Ayden. I love you.
I love you too.
Coming down. Woo! Look at you. Be careful, sir. This is something that we don't see in Indiana that I absolutely am obsessed with and love seeing down here. I love, 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 love cactuses. I have a couple at home. I'll have to show you guys my cactus collection. We came, we saw, we conquered. Now we're gonna head back home for a little bit. So the guy that was cutting the grass last night must have left in a hurry because he left his mower, and my yard is only half done. So luckily it's a friend of ours, but he definitely left in a hurry.